Deliciously creamy and nourishing pumpkin soup is just what you need for a quick, cozy dinner at home. And as an added bonus, it will make your house smell like the magic of fall. Remove seeds and pumpkin pulp and cut off walls of pumpkin. Then chop it into small chunks. Put into a baking dish, add some olive oil, rosemary, garlic cloves, salt, and bake for around 40 minutes. Remove rosemary and garlic and gently mix pumpkin cubes. Cut all the other vegetables. In a large soup pot, add some olive oil and fry onion and garlic for about 5 minutes. Then add carrot and fry for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add roasted pumpkin, salt, black pepper and nutmeg, and fry all together for another 7 minutes. Pour in chicken stock, bring to a boil, and cook under the lid for around 10 minutes. Add some Parmesan and puree soup on high speed until smooth and thick. Then add small cube of butter, cream, and gently mix everything. Garnish with vegetable chips and pumpkin seeds. This lovely autumn pumpkin soup is packed with flavor and perfect for when the nights begin to draw in. Enjoy! Bon appétit!